Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be preparing hominy corn porridge. So if you don't know anything about hominy corn porridge, you don't know hominy corn tough. So here in this video we're going to be using the INSTA pot, right? So we have here 1 pound of hominy corn, and we have it soaking in some water from overnight, because as I said before, hominy corn is tough, so you want to soak it from overnight, right? So soaking the corn grains from overnight will help to soften them. And then we're going to pour off the water and add coconut juice. So we're just preparing the coconut for juicing. So we're going to cut them into smaller pieces and blend. So here is the finished product of the coconut. So it is all cut into smaller pieces. So we're going to blend them now. Okay, so after blending, we're going to juice the coconut milk into the INSTA pot. So as we said, we pour off the water and then we're going to add coconut milk, which we're adding now. So you're going to juice the trash to extract the juice, the coconut milk from it, right? Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is we're going to juice the coconut milk again to get enough coconut juice to boil or to pressure the hominy corn. So when you're juicing the coconut, ensure that you get enough coconut milk. So you're just going to top it up, right? Because the coconut milk that we're using, we're not using water, we're using coconut milk. This will add more flavor to the hominy corn porridge. This is natural stuff. Yes, and then indeed we have to add the good old cinnamon leaves. If you have cinnamon powder, you can go ahead and use about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, right? We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, because you know when you add salt to porridges or juice, it bring out the flavor into the meal. So we're just going to add some salt to taste, right? Then we're going to cover the INSTA pot and allow the hominy corn to pressure. So we're going to pressure the hominy corn for 40 minutes. Reason being, when you add it, you can add it to 30 or 40, but preferably 40 minutes, because this way the hominy corn will become more softer. So if you're a person that loves your hominy corn porridge like a little bit tougher, you can put it to 30 minutes. But if you like the grains more softer, where it is easier to chew and you don't have to work out the jawbone them too much, you can put it on 40 minutes because it will become more softer. So I'm just going to leave it there until it is finished pressuring, right? So now that it is finished pressuring, we're going to release and allow the steam to escape. Okay guys, so the hominy corn is finished pressuring. This is how it is looking, right? Very nice and lovely. All right guys, so what we are going to do now, we're going to remove the cinnamon leaves from the pot, and then we're going to start spicing up the porridge. stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, so you can get more of these delicious and authentic Jamaican meals. Look at that. Look at the corn, very soft. I'm gonna also link my green plantain and oats porridge in the top right corner here, so you can check it out if you haven't yet watched it. Okay guys, so we're going to transfer the pressured hominy corn into a bigger porridge pan, so we can get more space to add all our spices and our remaining coconut milk. I don't know the works already, right? Alright guys, so no must wonder, so how then get the hominy corn porridge to be thick? Alright, here what we're going to do. To make that thickening aid, you're going to use half cup of flour to 1 cup of coconut milk. You're going to mix that together and pour it in. So that is what we're pouring into the hominy corn. So half cup of flour to 1 cup of coconut milk, mix together and pour it into the pan. But just a reminder guys, when you're mixing the flour and the coconut milk together, you want to ensure that it is mixed thoroughly and lump free. And the secret to doing that is mix while you pour. So pour and mix, pour and mix. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to add a spice or flavor to the hominy corn. Okay guys, so we're going to prepare the porridge for adding our spices. Look at it guys, it's not thick up yet, you know guys. We don't finish, we're just getting there, right? What is that guys? Can you tell me? Please comment down below and tell me what is this. If you don't say you can cook porridge, tell me what is that. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So these are the spices that we're adding, as we said before. And each time you add, you want to ensure that you stir to get everything well blended. Because you want to do all of the spices them for soaking, you know. When you stir out a big bowl, and you sit down and draw for your chair, you want to enjoy the last corn grain from the plate or from the bowl. So you want to ensure that the porridge will flavor, spice, turn up, right? So you're just going to blend everything. We're also going to add here some cinnamon powder, right? You don't have to add this is optional. So we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon. Bear in mind that we already added the cinnamon leaf, so this is optional. You don't have to add the cinnamon powder. And as we said before, as you add the spices, you want to stir to get everything fully blended, right? Afterwards, you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, right? And as we said before, and we reinforce it, you're going to stir each time you add your spices. So you pour in your spices and you want to stir. Mix well so you can get all the spices blended. Guys, we're not finished as yet. We're also going to add some almond concentrate. So we're going to add ½ teaspoon of almond concentrate. So these will add the flavor to the porridge. It smells so delicious, guys. I wish you could smell it. And we're going to continue to stir. So we're going to add ½ cup of vanilla lasco, but you can use a milk of your choice. So if you want to add almond milk, you can go ahead and have a ¼ cup, add a ¼ cup and mix. So remember that you're always going to be mixing whatever ingredients that you add to the porridge. So you pour and mix, pour and mix. Next, we're going to add ½ cup of sugar, or you can add the sugar to taste. So you can just add the sugar that you like and you taste it based on the amount of porridge that you're making. So you want to add it and taste. So after adding all these spices, we're just going to allow the porridge to simmer down on medium flame for about 2 minutes, and then we serve. And this is our delicious hominy corn porridge. Look at it, guys. Very thick and creamy. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share with a friend, and tell a friend to subscribe to Cooking with TZ and C, cooking what we crave, so you can get some authentic Jamaican recipes. I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, check this video out.